Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have a McCulloch ROB R600 or R1000 robot lawnmower and you need to change the battery or replace the battery on it, or you might be here because it's not holding a charge or doesn't seem like it's cutting as powerfully as it used to, you might need to change the battery. And if you're getting an aftermarket battery, they're not that expensive and they're easy to replace. So I'm going to just show you really quickly how to do that. So to do this, the hardest thing to do is you got to get the tools, you got to get the things you need, which is a replacement battery, and you'll also need a Torx 20 screwdriver. I'll put a link in the description and to how to get those two things if you want to do this. But anyways, you're just going to come in, make sure that the main switch is in the 0 or off position and that the blades are all the way down so that you can get this cover off, because we need to take this cover off underneath. So we're going to flip our mower over, and we're using our Torx 20 screwdriver. We're just going to remove this screw, this screw, this screw, and this screw. And then with this tab, we can just pull this cover off. Once we pull the cover off, there is one more screw that actually kind of just holds the battery in place. You're just going to remove that battery that holds the, remove that screw that holds the battery in place. Take the old battery out, slide the new battery in, and then put the cover back on and put these 4 screws back in. So that's really all there is to it. And again, I'll put a link in the description to the battery that you need and the screwdriver you need as well. Thanks for watching.